the joint probability distribution, joint probability distribution of two random variables x and y is as follows. So write down the distribution table. They are given joint probability distribution of the two random. In joint probability distribution, we have two random variables. What we discussed previously, probability distribution, how many random variables we had? How many random variables? After here, how many random variables we discussed? Only one random variable. In the joint probability distribution, we have two random variables, say x and y. So they are given the distribution as the y values are 4, 2, 7. And the x value is given as 1, 5. The probability values for when x is 1 and y is minus 4 is 1 by 8. Then when x is 1, y is 2 is 1 by 4. Then when x is 1, y is 7, the probability is 1 by 8. So next, when x is 1, y is minus 4, the probability is 1 by 4. So when x is 5, y is 2, the probability given as 1 by 8. When x is 5, y is 7, the probability given as 1 by 8. So compute first one, E of x. What is the meaning of E of x? What's the meaning of E of x and y? E stands for what? Expectation. Expectation means mean. Okay, mean of x and mean of y we have to find. Second one, expectation of xy we should find. Third one, sigma x and sigma y we should find, that is standard deviations. Fourth one, covariance of x, y we should find. Fifth one, correlation of x comma y. Correlation of x comma y we should find. So this is June 2017-18 and in December 2018 they asked this problem. Okay, it is one of the important problem. So I will explain you briefly for one problem. It is concept is same for all the problem of this kind. Okay, if you understand one problem in this concept or every problem you can do by your own. So we have to reconstruct the table. So all of you can solve this problem along with me. So it consisting of the two random variables x and y, and write the data whatever they are given. Minus 4, 2, 7 and here 1, 5. And also write the probabilities. 1 minute. Inform others to join the session quickly. Okay, write down the data given. What is the data given here? It is 1 by 8. It is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 8. It is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 8. It is 1 by 8. We required marginal probabilities, right? So what shall I take here to find the marginal probability distribution? This is say y1, y2, y3. So this is x1, x2. Okay, these are the x values, these are the y values. So what is this one marginal distribution? F of what? F of Yesterday I explained you, right? F of what? F of x, sum of the first row. Add the first row, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Take 8 LCM, what you will get? What you will get? 8 is LCM, 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2, correct? Huh? Is it right, 1 by 2? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Is this 1 by 2 correct? Is this 1 by 2 correct? Can you hear me? Hello? Find the sum of this first row. Only 3 elements, these probability values. Is it right? 1 by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
8 LCM. 1 plus 2 plus, this is 4, 4 to 8, 2 plus 1. This is 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. Now find the sum of these 3 values. What you got? Tell me fast. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8? That is 1 by 2 only, right? 1 by 2. Next, here it is g of y. Means we are finding the summation of the y column. That's what it is, g of y. It is the sum of the x row. So f of x. What is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4?
3 by 8.
3 by 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 again? 3 by 8. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8? 2 by 8. Now what is 1 by 2? So add these two values. What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2?
1.
1. Now add these three values. 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. 8 is LCM. 3 plus 3 plus 2. What you got? What you got? 8 by 8, right? What is 8 by 8?
1.
1. So it should be equal to 1. Sum of the marginal values should be equal to 1. Okay, this completes our table. So next come to 1 by 1 we have to find. First one, expectation of x. So as I told you yesterday that expectation of x is nothing but mu x, that is a mean. How to find mu x? Summation of xi into f of xi. Is it right? Is it right? How to find xi into f of xi? So here we have x1, this is x1, this is f of x1, marginal value. So this is x2 and this is f of x2. Okay, that you should consider. So xi, f of xi. So x1, f of x1 plus x2, f of x2. Only two values we have. X1 is 1, f of x1 is 1 by 2 plus x2 is 5, f of x2 is 1 by 2. So that is 2 LCM, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 by 2. That is 3. Is it right? Mu x. So that is expectation of x is 3. Is it clear? Tell me fast. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If you say, okay, then go for expectation of y. That is mu y. That is mean. Summation of, what is the formula to find mean of y? Expectation of y. Summation of yj into g of yj. So yj, so these are the y values, y1, y2, y3. This is g of y1, g of y2, g of y3. Find the products. So you can write y1 into g of y1 plus y2 into g of y2. All of you should solve the problem along with me. y3 into g of y3. Now substitute and calculate. y1 is minus 4 into g of y1 is 3 by 8 plus y2 is 2, g of y2 is 3 by 8 plus y3. y3 is 7, g of y3 is 2 by 8. What do you got the answer? What do you got the answer? Minus 12 by 8 plus 6 by 8 plus 14 by 8. So denominator is same, add the numerator. What you got? 14 plus 6, 20, 20 minus 12. 8 by 8, that is 1. Expectation of y is 1. Next, third one, we have to find out expectation of xy. How to find expectation of xy? So how to find expectation of xy? Summation xi yj into jij. This is a formula we have to use. Are you able to hear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is expectation of xy is summation of xi, yj, jij. Means come to the table. This product of these three first. Okay. Product of these three first. That is 1 into minus 4 into 1 by 8 plus. So x value, y value into j12. Right. So that is 1 into 2 into 1 by 4 plus what? Plus 1 into 7 into 1 by 8. 1 into 7 into 1 by 8 plus it will continue and it should cover complete table except marginal values. Don't consider the marginal values. So y into minus 4 into 1 by 4. 5 into minus 4 into 1 by 4 plus 5, all the values of the table. 5 into 2 into 1 by 8. 5 into 2 into 1 by 8 plus 5 into 7 into what? 5 into 7 into? Hello? What it will be? 5 into 7 into?
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Now simplify this. So first one is minus 4 by 8 plus 2 by 4. 2 by 4. I am not cancelling that because it is easy for me to take the LCM. That's what. So 7 by 8. Next minus 4. Minus 20 by 4. 5 4s are 20. Minus 20 by 4. Next 5 2s are 10. 10 by 8 plus 10 by 8. Next 7 5 7s are 35 by 8. Now take the LCM as 6 and add. So this is 8 only. Okay. So now this instead of 2 it become 4. So next it is instead of 20 it become 22 is 40. So now remaining same because I am taking LCM as 8. Minus 4 plus 4 cancelled. Okay, leave it. 7 minus 40. First you add the positive terms. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 35. What is 17 plus 35? Hello? Hello? What is 17 plus 35? 52. 52 minus 40? What is 52 minus 40? 12. Which is equal to 4 3s are 4 2s are. Answer is 3 by 2. Expectation of xy is 3 by 2. Is it right? So next we go for sigma x square. We should find sigma x and sigma y. Okay, you should tell me the table value. I cannot ask more times. Okay, you should tell me the table values. I am going for the next page. If you have any doubts in this page, you can ask. Are you getting? Hello? Hello? Shall I close the class then if you are not talking? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will go for the next page to find the third question. Sigma x and sigma y I should find. If you are not understanding this, you ask. Okay, fourth question. I need to find out sigma x and sigma y. So it is the standard deviation. I will go for the first variance. Sigma x square I will find, then I will take the square root. So we know that yesterday I gave the list of formulae. Sigma x square is expectation of x square minus what? Expectation of x whole square. Is it right? Is it correct? So expectation of x square. How to find expectation of x square? Mean of x square? Summation of xi square into what? F of xi. This is a formula to find expectation of x square. So what is x1 square? x1 square into f of x1 plus x2 square into f of x2. This is the way we have to calculate. What is x1 we have in the table? I don't know the table. I changed this one, right? Please tell me what is x1?
1.
Tell me 1. 1 square. What is f of x1? What we got f of x1?
1 by
1 by 2.
1 by
Plus what is x2?
5.
5. What is f of x2?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Now find. 1 square is 1. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Plus 5 square is 25. 25 by 2. So 26 by 2. That is 13. Huh? Is it 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Substitute here. Now sigma x square is equal to expectation of x square. We got it as 13 minus. What is expectation of x we got? Already we found no expectation of x.
3 by 8.
What we got? Huh?
3 by 8, ma'am.
3. Expectation of x.
3, ma'am.
Mu x. 3 no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 13 minus 9. What is 13 minus 9? 4. Huh?
4.
So sigma x square is 4. What is sigma x? 2. Standard deviation is 2. Standard deviation of x. Next, I want to go for sigma y square. So I got now sigma x. I got sigma x. Now I want to find out sigma y. To find sigma y, consider sigma y square formula. Same, instead of x, you consider y, that's it. Not a summation, expectation. Expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. You should remember this carefully. Now, you call this as equation 2. You find expectation of y square separately. Expectation of y square is summation of y small yi square into g of, sorry, yj you should take. For y you take j, for x you take I. Along with y always you should take g of y, g of yj. So that is equal to y1 square into g of y1 plus y2 square into g of y2 plus y3 square into g of y3. I think only up to y3 we have, right? Do you have y4 also?
No, ma'am.
No. Now tell me what is y1? What is y1 in the table?
-4.
-4 whole square into g of y1. What is g of y1?
3/8.
3/8 plus what is y2?
2.
2. What is g of y2?
3/8.
3/8. What is y3? Y2 square we should do. Okay. What is y3?
7.
7 square. What is g of y3?
2/8.
2/8. Okay, now 4 4s are 16. Minus square is also plus. 16 3/8 plus 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12/8 plus 7 7s are 49. 49 into 2. What is 49 into 2? 49 2s are 98.
98.
98. 8. Take LCM. 8 is in the denominator. 16 3s are plus 12 plus 98. How much you got? 158, huh? Is it 158?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cancel. 4 2s are 2 4s, okay. 2 4s are 2 7s are 14. 2 9s are 18. Correct, huh? 79/4. Is it right? Next, sigma y square is equal to expectation of y square is 79/4 minus expectation of y. What we have expectation of y? What we got?
1.
1. That is 79/4 minus 1. Take 4 as LCM. 4. 79 minus 4, that is 75/4. Did you clear? Fourth question is over.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the fifth question? What we have to find? What is the fifth question?
Correlation.
Covariance. Covariance. COV means covariance. Covariance of x comma y. I will give you the simple formula. Covariance of x comma y is equal to expectation of x y. Don't put comma. Expectation of x y minus expectation of x into expectation of y. Use this formula. It become easy for you. Okay. So what I gave yesterday also, that problem also you can use. That formula also you can use. You will get the same answer. I think same formula I gave. Okay, substitute here. What we got? Expectation of xy. We found now. What is expectation of xy?
Three by two.
3 by 2 minus expectation of x is what?
3.
3. Expectation of y?
1.
1. 3 by 2 minus 3. Take LCM as 2 and simplify. Tell me fast. 6. 3 minus 6, that is minus 3 by 2. Is it right? What is sixth one? Correlation of xy. So in the regression line, coefficient of correlation R we found. This is correlation. Okay, that is correlation coefficient. This is just correlation, which is equal to covariance of xy divided by sigma x into sigma y. So covariance of xy is minus 3 by 2 divided by, actually we did, so here I didn't took square root, right? Square root of this I should take now. Sigma y square I got, but what I want? Sigma y. Sigma y is equal to square root of 75 divided by square root of 4 is 2. Root 75 by 2. So sigma x we got it as 2. 2 into root 75 divided by 2. 2 cancel. That is minus 3 divided by 2 into root 75. What you got the answer? Minus of what? Minus of tell me fast. What is this one? 3 by 2 into root 75. Hello?
Minus 0.1732.
0.17?
1732.
32. That's it. Is it clear? This is